Hi. Today, in a React Native Android app tutorial, we will learn how to perform some tasks as soon as the app loads, but only once in the app's life cycle. For example, as soon as the app loads, maybe I want to call an API, or do a database transaction, show some message to the user, etc. But I want to do this task only once in the app's life cycle. When the app loads again, the task will be performed again. To do this task, we will use a React Native hook called useEffect. Let's see the code. These are the imports. We are importing two hooks, useEffect and useState. We are also importing a style sheet, text, and a view. Okay. This app function is the entry point of our app. First, we have a variable called text. The setText is the setter function of the text variable. And we use the useState hook to manage the state of the text variable. The initial value of the text variable is the string, this is initial text. Okay, this useEffect code is commented as of now. We will see this later. In the UI, we simply have a text tag inside a view tag. The view tag has some CSS style called container. In the text tag, we use our text variable as the value. So whenever the text variable gets updated, the latest value will be shown here. And this part is the CSS style sheet. We keep the background color of the app whitish. The align items and justify content attributes are set to center, so that the entire UI is placed at the center of the screen. Now, let's run the app and check what the output is. See, this is our app screen. At the center, we have a text view with the text, this is initial text. This is the initial value of the text variable that we had set in the useState hook. Okay. Now, let's uncomment this part. Now we are going to use this useEffect hook. What this piece of code will do is, as soon as the app loads, this part of the code will be triggered. And what are we doing in this function? We are simply using the setter function of the text variable, which is the setText function, and we are updating its value to, this text comes from useEffect. So as soon as the app loads, the value of our text variable will change, and it will be shown to us on the screen. And this will happen only once in the life cycle of the app. Okay. Let's run the app and check again. As you can see, as soon as the app loads, our text variable has changed its value, and it is shown here in the text view. Similar to this, as soon as the app loads, maybe I want to call an API, or do a database transaction, show some message to the user, etc. But wait, why is this empty array at the end of the useEffect function? That's a topic for another tutorial. Thanks for watching.